Alrighty, we're going to do number 8 now. So problem 8 of the CAD problems. With problem 8, and let me just adjust that. It's a little off square there. Okay, with problem 8, I got to make a new component. I'm just going to turn this one off for now. Make a new component. It still exists. It's still there. But I do want to make a new one. So let me just, gotta select the whole project here. Right click, new component. Problem 8. Click OK. And I will create problem 8, make a sketch. And this one's still here. If I turn it on, it's still there, but I do not wish to at this time. I'm just going to go back to my sketch. And I'm just going to start right here on the default point. And we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by, got a bend in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is once again, it's 8 by 5, as they've all been, but you got to check. So we got an 8 by 5. This one's got stuff happening. Okay, so I gotta do some stuff here. So I'm gonna make a line. This line's gonna go down 1, as you can see, at a 90-degree angle. So we got that 90-degree angle there. So we got a line going down 1. And I'm doing this to save me time later. From here to here, this line is 2. So from there to there, that line that goes down is 2. And then we are going to continue drawing another line over here. All right, and as you can see in the background, I've got my little helper over there who is not being so helpful. Wave to my students, McKinnon.
Hi.
He says hi. All right, now get out of here, buddy. So we're going to go 1 up there. Okay. And I think that should be sufficient. 1 down, 1 up. And I am going to extrude this -4. So I'm going to extrude that -4. And then I'm going to have to do some tricky stuff here. Okay, so I've got to make from this top face, I'm going to rotate it quick. I think this is the simplest way to go about this. I got to make a sketch here. For this area right here, I want to cut down. Now, since I can actually grab onto this edge, I don't have to project the geometry. But I do want to turn my drawing back on so I can see what I'm looking at. Okay. So it's a 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4 box. So it's a 3 by 4 box. So I'm going to just click there and get my dimensions. This is 4. This is 3. All right. And I'm going to leave it for a second so you can get those dimensions. And then I'm going to hit Finish Sketch. And what I want to do with this box is I want to extrude it down as a cut. It's very important it's going down as a cut. So see right there, it's cut. And it should be going down -3. Okay. So that gives us our nice profile here, here, and now we need to add the hole and the round over. And they're both off of the same piece. That's going to be a point in here. I'm going to do the fillet first. So the fillet's just going to be on this edge, and it looks like it is a 2-inch radius. So 2-inch radius there for the fillet. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to make a sketch on this face right here. I'm going to put a point in over here. And it is referencing that edge, so I don't want it to do that necessarily, even though I believe that's correct. But I would prefer just to make sure that we get the point exactly where we want it, which is 2 down from the top and 2 over from the side. So 2 from the top, 2 for the side. So we got our 2 points here. And we can do finish sketch on that. And we're going to make a hole, and I'm going to click on it. And this hole has a diameter of 2 boxes instead of 4. So 2 boxes. Ooh, that looks a wee bit big. Oh, it doesn't go all the way down to the base, does it? It looks like it's 1.75. Not 21.75, 1.75. So that looks more correct. If you look closely at the drawing, not the one up here, but if you open up the PDF and you zoom in on it, and I'll bring the PDF over. If we were to zoom in on that, you can see that it's just not quite that full 2. So we're going to go with 1 3/4. It's kind of a guess, but that's what I'll accept. All right. So after I click OK, that's it. If you want to change colors or anything, feel free. I think I'm just going to leave this one as is. I'm going to stop recording now, and good luck.